Good morning.
Good morning. Could you take me to 30 Rockefeller Plaza, please?
Of course, no problem at all.
How much will it cost?
Around $12 to $18, depending on traffic.
That's fine. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes. Traffic is light right now.
Great. I have a meeting at 10.
No worries. We'll get there on time.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you work at Rockefeller Center?
Yes, I do. I'm a reporter at NBC Sports.
Wow, so they pay you to watch sports? That sounds amazing.
At first it was fun, but then I had to write 100 articles about one game.
Oh, now that sounds terrible.
Exactly. That's what I mean. Hey Emma. You're home early today.
Not really. You're just late. It's already 8 p.m.
Why did you get home so late?
I had to stay and finish my articles.
Did you finish them?
Luckily, yes. How was your day?
Pretty calm. Just a few meetings and one report.
And your new project?
It's going well. My boss likes my plan. I just need.
What you need right now is dinner.
Please. I really want something hot to eat.
Go wash your hands. Dinner will be ready soon.
How would I survive without you?
You wouldn't. That's why I'm your favorite roommate. Excuse me, sir. Do you need help with those boxes?
No, I'm fine. I can manage.
Are you sure? They look heavy.
I'm a man. I'm strong. I don't need help.
All right then.
Actually, maybe I do need a little help.
No problem. I'll take this one.
Thanks. I usually carry everything myself. I just don't feel great today.
That's okay. We all have tough days.
Which floor are you going to?
The 6th floor.
Oh, I live on the 5th. I just moved in last week.
Nice. How's it going?
Fine. I just wish there was an elevator.
At least you get free exercise.
True, but I'd rather lift weights than boxes.
Emma. Over here.
Andy. I haven't seen you in forever. How are you?
I'm okay. You still writing about football players' breakfasts?
Huh. Not by choice. That's my boss's idea.
I want your job. That sounds fun.
I love the pay, not the work.
You all right?
Everything's fine, except my back. Pain level? 11.
What happened?
Too much sitting at my desk.
Did you see a doctor?
Not yet. Too busy.
You should take care of yourself.
Says the panda with dark circles.
Pandas are cute. I'm okay with that.
Good morning, Emma.
Morning. Beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, too bad we have to work.
Only 2 days left until the weekend.
I can't wait. Any plans?
Camping with my family.
I thought Mr. Hewitt hated camping.
He can't say no to my cooking.
And you?
I'm covering the Tigers versus Bulls game.
That's exciting.
Not really, it's work.
At least you get free tickets.
Yes, but no time to enjoy the game. I love being home. Your food is amazing.
Emma, are you free tomorrow?
Yes. Why?
Can you pick up Uncle Billy from the airport?
Sure, but I don't remember him.
He's tall, thin, has long hair and lots of tattoos.
So, I'm looking for a rock star?
Exactly.
Let's hope I don't bring home the wrong one.
If you do, bring Steven Tyler.
Oops. Sorry.
No worries. I haven't seen you before.
I'm Emma. I just started here.
Nice to meet you. I'm Stanley, the new weatherman.
So you're on TV?
Yep. 6:30 a.m.
That's early.
I like mornings. How about you?
I'm more of a panda.
A panda?
Late nights. Dark circles.
What do you do?
Sports reporting.
Busy job.
Very. Do you like it here?
Not sure yet. I hope moving was worth it.
Where are you from?
Los Angeles.
Born here. I know all the good food spots.
Where?
My mom's kitchen.
How do I get a reservation?
Be nice to her daughter. That's it for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your English, remember to practice every single day. Watch this video at least 4 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your speaking skills quickly and confidently. Focus on copying the intonation and pronunciation. This is the secret to sounding natural. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Sam for more useful and easy English videos.